dividing by 25. Think of 1/4. Okay. Work from right to left. Example 1. 85 divided by 25. Step 1. Multiply by 4 times 85 should give you 340. Step 2. Divide. So when you're dividing by 100, it's going to be 340 divided by 100. Of course, that would be 0 because it doesn't go into 3, it doesn't go into 34, but it goes into 340 3 times. Remainder 40, decimal, 0, bring it down, and that's how you get 334. So my answer here is 3.4. Remember, no extra zeros. Next example. Example 2. 624 divided by 25. Step 1. Multiply by 4. So it's going to be 4 times 624, which should give me 2,496. Step 2. Divide by 100. So 2,496 divided by 4. Remember, whenever you're dividing by 4, all you're doing is moving the decimal twice to the left. Whenever you're dividing by 100, you're moving the decimal twice to the left. No decimal, put it at the end. Move it twice to the left, 1, 2. So it should be 24.96. You try. $85 divided by 25. 315 divided by 25. 72 divided by 25. 604 divided by 25. 81 divided by 25. And 620 divided by 25. Good luck, guys.